The biggest competition is myself. I'm not looking to follow others or pull them down. I'm going to test my own boundaries. This famous quote was said by Rain. Having said that, friends, welcome to another audio story episode of the Mindhost channel. Well, we all see competitions in our life. Competitions all along the journey called life. This note is based on a small word competition, which is just a mere word in the dictionary. But this very word plays an important role in our life, and it cannot be detached from us all through our life as long as we are. This concept can be gained from the biological themes given by Darwin or Lamarck, two of the world's greatest naturalists. According to their theory, only the fittest will survive in this world. This means that a man has to compete against the various anti-forces of the environment and nature or the society to survive and live a peaceful life. In this new world of globalization, those who cannot compete and be the fittest in the corresponding environment cannot survive in this critical world. So in this note, we can say that competition is a must to survive in every stages of our life. Starting from the first phase of a life, a child has to face various hardships, like there are various institutions and there are various exams or interviews also to get admitted into the schools. Just to get pre-primary or primary education, a child has to get adapted and be prepared before he gets his senses to flourish and see the world, to face tedious challenges. After this primary education phase, the next remarkable phase is to get the requisite higher education, which is the foundation or the basis of his next higher studies, that is to get the professional education from a reputed institution. Here also, to be the best, various hurdles comes in his way, giving rise to new competitions, and the same old story as earlier life is repeated. Now comes the crucial period to get some job-oriented education. Since general education is of minimum uses nowadays, in our modern society, the motto of education is securing a good job and to earn money and lead a good life. No one tries to do some extra venture. So, in this so-called rat race, everyone has become the virtual players of this race, and everyone wants to win. There are various kinds of institutions, government, private or public. Also, there are entrance examinations for these institutions. But there is also another side of the reel, which says nowadays education and money are just like the two sides of a coin. Good education can be earned in exchange of money. As a consequence of this meritorious, students without adequate money support are deprived of quality education. And also, students of lower knowledge domain gets better education and secures further opportunities in return of the money. So here there is also another competition with money status and education quality. A good professional degree can be achieved in exchange of huge amount of money. So money is also a factor to face the competition. Hence all along the journey of life, a man faces the hurdles and hardships in various shapes. As a result, a child's nurtured dreams are burnt in the sparkling fire of competition. The story of competition continues throughout the life for jobs in preparation of being a good human, and there is also competition for leading or gaining in actual sense a peaceful life or life without much obstacles. Thus, competition has advantageous or good shadows over us as it brings us the talent and increases one's capability to outperform in various situations with flying colors. Just as I said in the beginning of this audio story, that our biggest competition are we ourselves. It is not that we would be following someone or we would try to bring someone down. It should be like that we would challenge our own limits and achieve every goal with that passion within ourselves. It is well said by someone, everything is changing in this ever-changing world. So with that hope that we would build a society where there would be fair competition along with enough free and spacious region which gives a parallel opportunity for someone to be a perfect human being, with heart and mind all working together, with all senses alive. There should be such an atmosphere where we don't lose anything as an effect of destructive competitions in the process of building perfect human resource, which is the urgent need of our nation at this time. With this, friends, we come to the end of this audio story. This was a short story which was based on actual scenarios we face in our day-to-day life. But what I would like to insist through this note is that we do not need to fear any kind of competitions we face in any phases of life. Rather, we need to face it with our own passion and achieve all our goals with our mindset. Thank you, my friends. If you like this note, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more stories. We'll see you next time with another story. Thank you.